with respect to investment themes, again, not being specific because budget comes every year. I think the Honorable Finance Minister, Government, and the Ministry Finance has to do what they have to do, and we have to do what we have to do. So, not keeping budget as a base of the recommendation, but keeping the base as a long-term investment theory and philosophy. First of all, sectorally, I would definitely like to mention defense, of course, is doing well, will continue to do well. In the entire BFSI segment, public sector bank, private sector bank, strong NBFCs, autos, capital market related stocks, cement. Maybe, if you have a little bit of elevated risk appetite, pharma as well as information technology, and the entire consumption related theme, whether it is discretionary, non-discretionary. Now, if I have to name some of the ideas, again, these are all long-term fundamental. So please bear that in mind. And these are all recommendations from our fundamental research team from long-term point of view. Our company, Geojit or myself, we do not have any kind of personal investments, no financial interest, no conflict of interest, but we give advice to our clients on similar lines, so they might have their investment interest. So you have Bharat Electronics Limited, you have Shriram Finance, you have Ashok Leyland, L&T Finance. Amongst the public sector banks, you have Indian Bank, Canara Bank, Bank of Baroda, State Bank of India. Names with from the private sector banks, numbers that we've seen: Axis Bank, Kotak Mahindra Bank, HDFC Bank looks very, very strong. There are a lot of themes, look at, so whatever, sectors that I have mentioned, friends, try to identify the frontline name first and then select mid caps if you have the capability of rationalizing and understanding it, and then possibly then take step forward. Small cap and micro cap, my humble advice is that you need to be extra careful, and you need to have a little bit of more elevated risk appetite when it comes to large cap, mid cap, and vis-a-vis the small cap and micro cap. So try to be very, very careful. And if you don't understand it, don't venture into it. No need to be Robin Hood. Stick to the basics, and I think that will possibly take you home in terms of creating a decent portfolio and getting a return on it. Thank you so much.